Welcome to Study Loop.
Here focal length of objective lens is equal to 1 by 20d, which is equal to 0.05 meter, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Focal length of eyepiece is equal to 1 by 10d, which is equal to 0.1 meter, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Using the lens equation, 1 by UE is equal to 1 by BE minus 1 by FE, which is equal to 1 by minus 25 minus 1 by 10. On simplifying it further, I can write the value of 1 by UE is equal to 1 by minus 25 minus 1 by 10, which is equal to minus 2 minus 5 by 50, which is equal to minus 7 by 50. Now going forward, and here the value of V naught can be written as 20 minus 50 by 7, which is equal to 90 by 7 centimeter. So from lens equation for objective lens, I can write the expression as 1 by U naught is equal to 1 by V naught minus 1 by F naught. Simplifying it further, I can write the value as 7 by 90 minus 1 by 5, which is equal to minus 11 by 90. So the value of U naught is equal to minus 90 by 11 centimeter. Magnification of compound microscope is equal to V naught by U naught multiplication 1 plus D by Fe, which is equal to minus 90 by 7 by minus 90 by 11 multiplication 1 plus 25 by 10. On simplification, I can write the magnification of compound microscope as 11 by 7 multiplication 3.5, which is equal to 5.5. Now the minimum separation that I can distinguish, let it be x, which is equal to 0.22 by 5.5 mm, which is equal to 0.04 mm as the answer.